Welcome in another episode of Codewars. Today we will be trying our skills with if statements in opposite attract and school paperwork. Also trying to use if statement if something exists in array in quarter of the year, and in the pick a set of first elements we will be trying some array operations and assign default value to the function. In keep iterated we will be converted something to int value. So let's get started. We need to check if one of flowers is equal even number and the other one is odd number. In this condition, I'm checking if flower 1 is even number and flower 2 is odd number. And in this one, I'm checking if flower 1 is odd number and the flower 2 is even number. And if it's true, we return true, and if it's not, we return false. We need to count how many blank pages we need, and n value is our classmates, and m value is the paper per one classmate. In this case, we need to consider if n and m is higher than 0. If it's not, we need to return 0. And for the other cases, we need to multiply number of our colleagues by number of our pages per one colleague. We need to match number of month to their quarter of the year. So for February is month second, and we need to return that is first quarter. Here I declare if month is first, second or third number of the month. For the first quarter we have months first, second and third. And for the second quarter we only taking numbers 4, 5 and 6. And for third quarter we take 7, 8, 9. And for the fourth quarter we need to take 10, 11 and 12. And in this case we just checking if month is in these values, and for each quarter we need to check if it's equal that number of months that belongs in this quarter. And here I print month to see if quarter for this month is good. We need to return n values from our sequence. In this case, I need to consider if our n value is 0, and then I need to return empty array. And for the default function, we need to assign 1, and then I create a new sequence. And for each number in till this n value, I append my new sequence with the values till n value, and then I return our new sequence. We need to drink 0.5 liters of water per hour of cycling, and we are taking time, and then we must return our liters. Here I am taking time and I multiply this by 0.5 and then I'm converting this value to the integer to cut all the places behind the point. Thanks for watching. Code will be in the description on GitHub and see you in the next one. Bye.